Now we'll see the case when resistors are connected in parallel. So in the last session, in the last video of types of combinations, I've explained how the resistors are connected in parallel. If you have a doubt how to connect in parallel, just go through that video once. So here in parallel, I have connected all the positives one side and all the negatives one side, connected in series with an ammeter and a plug. So here I have used two resistors of resistance R1 and resistance R2. Voltmeter. Now see the case when I don't have the second resistor. In this entire circuit I am having only one resistor. So the voltmeter reading will give the voltage across resistor 1 and the ammeter is used to measure the current. Now if I place this two, the second resistors in the circuit, then voltage value will also remains the same, but the ammeter reading will be changed. So in order to check that, we'll be connecting two different circuits, one in which the resistor 1 is connected in series with ammeter and the resistance 2 again is connected in series with ammeter. Now, so here just for your reference, I have drawn resistance R1 connected in series with ammeter 1. In this, when you observe the reading, though voltage remains the same, but the current that is passing through resistance R1 is different when you compare that with resistance R2. So which means in parallel circuit, voltage across the circuit remains same. So wherever you connect the voltmeter across these resistors, in parallel combination only, when you observe, the voltage will remain the same no matter what. Voltage will remain the same. But you can connect more and more resistors in the circuit which are connected in series with ammeter. The value of current that's been passing through the resistor will be changed. When you observe the comparisons, you might note that the total current that's been passing through the entire circuit is nothing but equals to sum of individual currents. So which is I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus and so on. Since I have taken only two resistors, I have taken current 1 and current 2. Current that's been passing through resistor 1 and current that is passing through resistor 2 is nothing but equals to the total current that is flowing here. Since I have opted, I didn't mention the flow of current here. I is equals to I1 plus I2. So what do you know from Ohm's law? V is equals to I R, which is then I is equals to V by R. Now writing this here, V by R, this is the equivalent resistance of parallel circuit, V by R1 plus V by R2. So since my voltage is same across the entire circuit, I didn't mention V1 and V2. Taking V and cancelling, I'll get 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, which means in a parallel circuit, the equivalent resistance can be calculated by the reciprocal of equivalent resistance of the parallel circuit is equals to sum of the reciprocal of individual resistance. So I'm just writing here 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. When you solve this, you will get R is equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This formula is used when resistors are connected in parallel. The condition is only you have to connect two resistors. If you are connecting more than two, then the formula will be varied. Okay. If I am connecting n resistors, then R equivalent is given by, or I am just writing 1 by R equivalent is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus and so on. If all the n resistors are identical, then 1 by R equivalent is equals to R. This goes on till n times. So which is n by R. So R equivalent is nothing but R by n. This formula is used when you are connecting n number of resistors in parallel. Okay. So this is the total outline when resistors are connected in parallel, and voltage is same across the resistors when they are connected in parallel. For this reason only we are connecting the voltmeter in parallel with the circuit. Okay. When you connect voltmeter in parallel, then you will be able to get the same voltage across the circuit. When you connect voltmeter in series means the voltage across the resistors will be different from each other. Okay, this we have seen in series circuit. When in series voltmeter is connected, and the voltage is nothing but the individual voltages, sum of individual. If you want to measure current now, you have to connect the ammeter in series, but if you want to measure voltage, then you have to connect the voltmeter in parallel. Okay, thank you.